before customers buy items on Amazon, they do research and check the reviews and ratings for a specific item before they decide whether to buy that item or not, and get some social proof from other previous customers. And since Amazon became a very competitive environment for sellers, some sellers decided that it will be easier to cheat and trick the system and get some fake reviews to increase the amount of sales that they are getting. In this video, I will show you how to spot those fake reviews, whether you are a buyer or a seller. Let's start. What's up guys, my name is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own brand, selling private label products on Amazon and creating a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell so for any upcoming video that I release, you'll be notified. Okay, so it's important to know how to spot fake reviews before you purchase something on Amazon. Sometimes you think an item is good because you see it's all 5 stars or 4.5 stars, but these are like fake reviews. So what I can tell you is that the higher the amount of reviews, the less likely that they faked all of them. And the more likely that the starting review or the rating the review that you're seeing is good, but you still have to check those bad reviews to see if there is any problems with the items that that are there, but because of their good rating you can kind of like overlook them. So first of all, I'll show like how to check those reviews, and then I'll show how to get into listings that have, let's say, like 10,000 reviews, and then check the bad reviews to really determine and do like whether it's a good product or not. Okay, so how to spot fake reviews. First of all, uh, this is kind of unique, but sometimes I'll try to find an item. This is usually happens with electronics, with sellers from China, that what they're using like some shady techniques to have a product that already have like 5 stars that they're not using, and then what they're doing, they're changing the listing images and the text and the title so it will be a different item, and then you see like a 5 star, but it's complete, the reviews are for different completely items. So let's try to do like flashlight. Okay, I doubt that I will find one live, but we should try. Let's try to find some with like 100 reviews or less than 100 reviews. Let's check this one. So this one is 3.5 reviews. Yeah, this is for the flashlight. This is something that was common before, but still I see it from time to time. So basically, you want to really make sure that for an item that you intend to purchase, scroll down, check the item, and then go to the reviews and try read it. Like make sure that the reviews are matching to the actual product. So if you see that this is a flashlight and then you see the charger and the battery for the phone wasn't really working well, and then you see that it's repeating, you see that this is for a phone, the reviews are for a phone, then something smells like bad here, and just skip this listing. Let's go read the review, and if you see the review is extremely different and positive, that includes like photos, videos, then the rest of the reviews, maybe something is not that right there. So analyze the reviews, and if you see that all of them like saying, oh, it's a good item, like good, and then you see complete like a 5 star review with pictures, with video, and it's extremely positive comparing to the rest, maybe it's something that would make me do a little more research. Now of course you need to have a common sense. If you buy an item that it's $8, $9, like not that expensive, you want to do the check, but not that long check. But if it's a more expensive item that require more research, like do a little dig into the reviews and check whether it's legit or not. You look for verified review badge. So you see here it has the verified review badge. Some of the reviews will not have it. Let's try to find here reviews that are not verified. All reviewers. Let's go to the next page. Verified, 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 verified. Pretty much everything is verified here. Let's try to go to a different listing. Okay, let's try to go to this one. Verified, verified, These days, most of the reviews are verified. But if you don't see the verified badge, means that, I wouldn't take this that seriously. Because what does it mean? Means that the review is not connected to an order. So someone came to this listing and just left a review without buying it. So it's easy to fake it. They didn't really buy it, and how they really give a review for that. So you have to really be taking this in mind when you look at those reviews. Understand that the Vine program reviews are kind of better reviews than the normal reviews. So okay, let's try to go to a niche or item that don't have a lot of reviews, something like kind of unique and new. um, I don't know, let's try to go to this item. Okay, no, it's an item with a lot of reviews. Let's go to that one. Okay. Okay, they're not using the Vine. Okay, but what I can tell you is that there is a section that, or a type of reviews that will say sponsored by the Vine program, or let's do it, Vine reviews, Amazon Vine program. Let's read it. So Amazon Vine invites the most trusted reviewers on Amazon to post opinions about new and pre-release items. So what does it mean? It means that they are getting the item for free. So when they get it for free, most likely they will leave more positive reviews. Now it's not always the case. These reviewers are the top reviewers on Amazon, and I saw in my products that they're leaving some honest reviews. Sometimes I got even 1 or 2 stars. So, but it's important to understand how it works so you can understand the mechanics behind it. Read the product Q&A. So, for example, for a product, let's say this one, let's go to a one that have a lot of reviews. 6 answered questions. Um, let's see the answers here. It should say verified review. But read the questions. The questions are not necessarily connected to fake reviews, but it will allow you to understand way better the item and what you're trying to purchase. Because imagine that people before you ask those questions like that couldn't really find answer with the listing. So where it was made, where it was manufactured, like you get a replacement coins, just you check all of this and it will give you better understanding and confidence about the item. If you see an item or listing without any question, it's not a bad sign, but it's helping to figure out things if they have more questions. Multiple 5-star reviews or 1-star reviews combined by brief text. So if you go to an item like to review it and you see like the same day like 5-star reviews, or like in a period of like a week, November 17, like this makes sense. It's 18 days between each review, and here like another 13 days. This makes sense. But if you see like October 29th, 30th, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, all 5 stars, or all come with very very short text, my son love it, great toy, it looks weird. But here the reviews are pretty detailed and good, and this one with pictures, so it looks legit. But try to find those reviews that are like just great item, perfect, well made. It's kind of weird. And then finally, there is an option to use review sites. These are services that will help you determine whether you have some bad reviews there or not. And this is the other one, fake spot. Let's just check the review meta. You put the URL of the listing, and then it's giving you some data here. So here it looks good. If we scroll down, let's do a fresh report. So it's getting the data, it's analyzing the data, and then in a moment it will give us the results based on today, November 22nd, and before it was the August. So 3 months of data that they can analyze. Then you have this website fake spot. You can put the URL here and analyze, and it will give you also a rate. So here is outdated, so let's click on reanalyze. Okay, so this is a fresh one that is 4.6, 0% of potentially unnatural reviews. But let's go to another item here on Amazon that has like a lot of reviews. Let's say to this one and run the report. Check this one. This one the same. So you see they are really confident on this item. Also, when we check the reviews, it looks very natural. So let's click on analyze this one. Okay. Um, okay, this one. Oh, 42% of potentially unnatural reviews removed. So that's a very bad sign here. And let's just check deleted reviews. 89 reviews has been deleted. We discovered a total of 89 deleted reviews for this product with an average of rating of 4.8. So look, Amazon deleted 89 reviews that were like almost 5 stars. Even though deleted reviews don't affect the average rating, the fact that action was taken to delete reviews raises some red flags about the integrity of the reviews for the product as a whole. There are a few limitations to keep in mind regarding the deleted reviews. Unverified purchases, so as before, I showed you that there are some unverified purchases there. So in this case, they left bad reviews. So maybe it's competitors that come and do some bad reviews with unverified purchases. Suspicious reviews. Have only posted one review, so that's also a bad sign, you know. Never verified reviews, 0 verified reviews. Take back reviewers. Okay, 121 of the 331 reviewers have had at least one of their past reviewers for another product deleted. While this is more take back reviewers than we'd expect to see, it does not appear to have a significant impact on the overall rating. So the reviews are kind of the same, so it doesn't really change a lot of the the reviews. So here, reviews with not really many words. This is bad sign. From reviews with an overrepresented word count. So like all the 5-star reviews are like 0 to 5 reviews. 0 to 5 words. Phrase repetition. Okay. Anyway, these tools are really helping you determine like whether it's fake or not. They are doing the legwork and the math for you. So before you decide to buy an item, you can put it here and it will give you a better idea, okay? So hopefully after watching this video, you are more experienced and you have more knowledge on how to spot fake reviews. Thank you for watching this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again for watching.